Hello students, welcome again in our series of CNC programming. In our first video, we saw few G codes and M codes which we are going to use frequently in CNC turning operations. Now in our second video, I will discuss about the part programming format. Now there are 8 steps which you are going to write commonly in all CNC programs at the start, and there are 6 steps which you are going to write at the end in all CNC programs. So 8 steps in the beginning and 6 steps in the end, they are same for all CNC turning operations. So to begin with, first you are going to mention the program number. Now this program number is any 5-digit number. So I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second, you are going to, in the second step, second parameter, you are going to mention the sequence number. So n represents the sequence number. So I start with n1, then 2, 3, 4 and so on. You can start with n 11, 12, 13, 14 and so on. Along with that, I am taking G90. G90, as we have already seen, that represents the absolute programming. Then after that, N2 is G71. G71 represents metric mode. That is the dimensioning mode. Then N3 is G92, M42 and S1500. Now G92 represents maximum spindle speed clamp. M42 represents medium gear select. So in M codes, if you will see, we have M41, M42, M43 and M44. So this is the first gear, second gear, third gear and fourth gear. So here we have taken M42, which is medium gear. And S1500 represents spindle speed in RPM. Then after that, we use the code G94, which is used for feed rate in mm per minute. Then after that, we have the code G28U0W0, that is go to home position. So the tool, by using G28U0W0, the tool returns to its home position. So go to home position. Then the next one we have M06T0101. M06 we have already seen, that is used for automatic tool change. And T0101 represents that tool number 1 has been used. Then next is M03, which represents spindle on. And then it's M08, which represents coolant on. So these are the 8 parameters which you have to write in any CNC turning program. First is the program number. After that, G90, that is absolute programming mode. Then G71, that is metric mode. G92, that is for maximum spindle speed clamp. Along with that, you're going to mention the gear and the speed in RPM also. Then G94, it is used for feed rate in mm per minute. G28U0W0, return of tool to home position. M06 is automatic tool change. Along with that, tool number 1 is being used. M03 represents spindle on and M08 represents coolant on. Once the 8 parameters that are to be written in the beginning are done, then there are various operations. It depends upon the program. After that, there are 6 parameters at the end which you are going to write. In that, the first one is G00, X0, Z1. Now what is this X0, Z1? You will come to know when we take a program. So G00 represents rapid tool positioning. After that, you are going to take G28U0W0. Accordingly, what would be the sequence number you have to mention? So G28U0W0 is go to home position. That is, your tool will return to the home position. After that, it would be M05. which represents spindle off. Then M09, which represents coolant off. Then we have M02, that is end the program. Then last we have M30, that is end the tape. And rewind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 parameters you have to mention at the last of the program. So at the beginning there are 8 parameters common to all CNC turning programs. Then the various operations depending upon the program. And at the last you have these 6 parameters which would be common to all CNC programs. In our next video we would be seeing CNC program on facing.